Hi friends, today we're sharing your beautiful Shine for Jesus shoeboxes, each one packed with love and ready to shine God's light into a child's life. Let's do this.
Sweetie daily spreading the light.
Thank you so much to everyone who participated in this month's Shine for Jesus viewer collaboration. Your shoeboxes were absolutely beautiful, and I love seeing all the thoughtful ways you use them to shine God's love to children around the world. I'm excited to share the shoeboxes I packed for this theme, but before I do, I want to mention to be sure to stay until the end because I'll be revealing our viewer collaboration theme for August. And if you enjoy packing shoeboxes and sharing ideas with this wonderful community, I'd love for you to subscribe and join us. So as you can see, all of these shoeboxes are similar. I've packed 3 for girls who are 10 to 14, and I'm going to go ahead and take you through one, and then I will just pan the other 2 so that you can see what's in the boxes. The wow gift is this sparkle doll. And then she has another little companion doll. My husband got a bunch of these for me for Christmas this last year. She has a bead kit that has some sparkles on it. They will all be getting a shiny notebook. It says Rise and Shine. They will all be getting a set of sparkly stickers. Oh, one thing I want to mention about the Sparkle Girl doll. I love the Sparkle Girl dolls. I think they are really sweet, but her dress seemed to be just really short. And I'm not sure if they've always been that way and I'm just now noticing how short it is, or if they've gotten shorter over time, I don't know. But I found this dress in my stash. It's a Barbie dress, and I just put her Sparkle Girl's outfit over the dress, and it matches. So I thought that would be really cute. And then I am also going to include this dress here. Another item with lots of sparkle are these flower leis that I found at the Dollar Tree over 4th of July. They will all be getting a sparkle pen, a toothbrush, a pair of underwear, and a satin bag. And I always say, I like to pack my underwear in satin bags, but it's not necessary. It's just a nice to-do kind of thing. And they're all going to be getting this little Barbie cup. I found these Barbie cups at Hobby Lobby on clearance. They will all be getting some jewelry. This set has a pair of earrings, a bracelet, and a necklace. And my sister and I found them at an antique mall, and they're brand new. And there were a bunch of them, and actually this booth had all new jewelry. So I guess it's not just for antiques, just some people are selling crafts and that kind of thing. My sister bought them for me, so I just thought that was really sweet of her to buy them for these shoe boxes. And at the same booth, there was this pretty bracelet. This was only $1. And then there was a set of these sparkly bangles. I think that there were 12 for $1. They will all be getting a plush that has some shiny bits on it. So this one has shiny spots on it. And I got these at Macy's, actually off of their website, and they were less than $4. The original price was $12.99, and it wasn't even marked clearance. It was just marked off. So I don't really know if it was just like an overstock thing or what, but I just thought that was a great find. They will all be getting a pencil pack, and they will be getting a hygiene pack with a brush and a mirror combo, and nail clippers, a nail file, some dental floss, some lip balm, some hair bands, a cross necklace, and a washcloth. And then as part of the school supplies, they will be getting a solar calculator with some instructions on how to charge a solar calculator, some scissors, a glue stick, and then I have this little card that says, "Let your light shine," and it's translated in multiple languages. This is available on the website if you're interested. They will all be getting this Jesus Loves Me church window coloring book that's also available on the website. They will all be getting some colored pencils and a t-shirt with some sparkles on it, and this one has a flamingo that sparkles. And then they will also be getting some kind of a coloring book or an activity book. I like this one because this is shiny, and I got this at Five Below. So I will go ahead and show you the other two boxes real quick. So her doll is different. This is a little mermaid doll. Oh, I just thought she was so pretty. She was on sale on Amazon, and I think she was $6, which for a wow gift, I thought that, and she's such good quality, and her hair is so pretty. She has braids and wavy hair under that. It's just so pretty. I love her dress. I think her dress is just elegant. And then she will also be getting another one of the little dolls. And she will be getting a purple lei here. And the same items. This is a pink necklace, bracelet, earring set. Oh, and her plush is gold and very shiny. And then her t-shirt is blue, and I got this to match, tried to match the doll's dress, but the sleeves have sequins on them. So, and then she will be getting a Barbie sticker activity book. And then the last one is another little mermaid, but she has a pink dress on, and her little doll has a purple dress. And then she has a blue lei, again with a sparkly pen. And then her t-shirt has pink sparkles on the sleeve. And then, oh, this, I love this. I saw this at the Dollar Tree, And this is one of those where they can put the stickers and decorate the doll. I wish that I would have had 3 of these. I just think they're really neat. So anyway, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to pack up these shoe boxes, and I'm going to make sure that I can get everything in there, and then if I have any room left over, I will show you what I add, and I will be right back. Well, the boxes are all packed and everything fit, and it's always such a satisfying feeling whenever you can close the lid and everything fits just right. I really didn't have any room to add any more items, except I did add our letter and our photo for the child. And I also forgot to mention the lid design says "Let Your Light Shine" from Matthew 5:16, and it's available on sweetteadaily.com. Another thing that I often forget to mention but is really important is to include prayer in our shoe boxes. All of our shoe boxes need to be prayed for so that they will arrive safely. We need to pray for the child, pray for the family, and just really pray for our shoe boxes to communicate God's love and care for the child. Okay, friends, so now it's time to announce our viewer collaboration theme for August, Camped in God's Love. For this month's theme, think camping adventures, cozy tents, woodland animals, mountains, trees, campfires, and all the beauty of God's creation. Most importantly, let your shoebox remind a child that wherever they are, they're surrounded by God's love. For this collaboration, you choose the age and gender of the child you like to pack for. Send your photos to sweetteadaily.occ@gmail.com by the 20th of the month. And the collaboration will be aired the last Sunday of the month, which is August 30th. I can't wait to see all your shoebox creativity and good ideas come to life with this theme. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.